Machiegni kendo nyakoro mgajwange chendo ni maro imoyo wadhi mbele gi miweche manyien. Jagoro mongiore e migawo mar arita Dr. Raymond Omollo opo ting' manokaw kod joma chuny gi ng'uon koting'o riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho e jalo joma ne kodh Nino okelo negi masira. Jalno yango ni maromo familia 540 kod jamni noyudo midhiere kinde kodh Nino. Omollo mane lose kinde romo mar yango kenge mag kedo kod midhiero matuch apoya kaka oro kod oula okoni kony mar sirikal mamalo kaachiel gi riwruoge mag ji giwegi ne ochiwo noreso Jokenya manoyudo lal kotenre kod Nino.
Meaningful partnerships are fundamental to our collaborative successes, necessitating a multilateral approach to disaster response due to the multifaceted challenges requiring specialized expertise. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all humanitarian agencies that collaborated with us during this operation. This operation has yielded invaluable lessons that need further exploration.
And I'll tell you what the theory is on why counties need to have a role in disaster risk planning. It is because counties are the starting point for integrated planning as a whole, development planning. Response to emergencies, effects of disasters to community level is a byproduct of development or lack of development.
What hits me when I think about this is that somewhere around 175 lives were lost, including 41 children. If those numbers are even remotely accurate, what it says to me is that we lost more people than we did in 4 years of drought response. And what we know well is that these kinds of shocks are going to continue to occur. We can talk about in the panel how we can avoid them.
Podo ko yangore lela poni jopuonjre manotimo penje higni